P0119 code diagnosis. When your car has any problem, please connect your car to any scanner. Engine coolant temperature sensor, intermittent. What does error code P0119 mean? P0119 indicates the engine control module ECM has detected intermittent ECT sensor input. Possible symptoms. The check engine lights and goes into failsafe mode. Starting the engine. When engine is warmish or warm, idle RPM immediately is 1200 to 3000 RPM. The engine may have a hard start when it is cold. RPM at idle is irregular. The engine may run rough and hesitate until it warms up. The engine should run close to normal once it warms up. Since the ECT input is intermittent, the ECM may go in and out of failsafe mode, causing the engine to run erratically. Note: the symptoms are determined by the manufacturer. Different may vary between manufacturers and vehicles. Possible causes. The electrical signal coming from engine coolant temperature sensor is intermittent. Wiring and EOR connections faulty, short circuit. Engine coolant temperature sensor faulty. Mechanical problems in the cooling system. How serious is the P0119 code? The ECM may go in and out of failsafe mode since the problem is intermittent. The problem may progress to a more permanent or serious failure if the problem is not repaired. Intermittent failure may be shorted wiring that could damage the ECM or wiring. How to diagnose? Step 1. Visually checks to see if the coolant is full and that the system and thermostat are working correctly. Step 2. Connect any scan tool and read the codes received and view the freeze frame data to see when the code was set. Then, clear the fault codes and retest the vehicle to see if the code comes back. Step 3. Observes the sensor's live data on the scanner to ensure that the temperature output is within specifications while wiggling the sensor connector and wiring. Step 4. Fixing all the problems, then need to use a scanner to clear all fault codes and retest the vehicle to see if the code comes back. If the fault code comes back, then please check again all conditions or contact a professional in the automotive. How to fix. Possible solutions. Repairing or replacing the ECT connector. Repairing or replacing an open wire or short as necessary. Replacing the ECT with a new sensor. Replace the ECM if shorted out. If this video is useful to you, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.